In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve deleted tasks in Asana. If you ever delete a task by mistake, don't worry. Asana makes it possible to bring it back in just a few clicks. Start by heading to Asana's login page and sign in. I'll choose Continue with Google and pick my account to get in. Use whatever sign-in method you normally use, and once you're in, you should land on your Asana home or the last place you worked. Next, open the project where you've been working. You can find it from the sidebar or your recent projects. Now look to the top of the screen for the search bar. Click it to activate search and then open the advanced options by selecting the three horizontal lines to the right. Here you can filter for items that were deleted. In the advanced search panel, find the status dropdown and open it. From the list of options, choose deleted. That tells Asana to look only in the trash. If you remember part of the task name, you can type a keyword in the search field to narrow things down, but you don't have to. When you're ready, click search to run it. You'll see a results page listing tasks that match your filters and are currently deleted. Scan through the list until you find the one you want to bring back. To restore it, click the trash bin icon that appears next to the task. Asana will undelete the task, and in most cases it returns to its original project, section, and assignee with its history intact. If you don't see the icon, you may not have permission to restore that item, or it may have been permanently removed by an admin. A few quick tips to help you find things faster. Refine the keyword if there are lots of results, and make sure you're in the correct workspace if you switch between accounts. The deleted filter is the key here, so double check that it's selected whenever you run the search. You log in, open your project, use the search bar, switch to the advanced search, set status to deleted, run the search, and click the trash bin icon beside the task you want to restore. With this process, you can recover work quickly and